Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your JBL Go 4 to a Windows PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the speaker. Once it's on, make sure it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. And the only way you can know it's in Bluetooth pairing mode is if this little light is blinking rapidly. If it's not, just press the Bluetooth button, and that's going to put that speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now you want to go to your computer and go to the Bluetooth settings. So click on the start button and then go to settings. Under settings, go to that menu on the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then click on add device, and then select Bluetooth at the top. Now, as long as the speaker is still in pairing mode, your PC should detect it. There you go, it's been found. So now go to your JBL Go and connect. And you can tell it's connected because that light is gonna stop blinking. Simple as that. So now you can click on done and close that. Now you can also go to the sound settings of your Windows computer and make sure the sound output device is set to your JBL Go 4, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.